Hello, everyone. This is Kimberly Miller, your holistic health expert and owner of Healing with Excellence. Today is part of my education series where I highlight a workshop or a certification so that you can decide which one is the right investment for you. Today, I'm going to highlight preventing and reversing bone loss. Yes, you heard that. Some people believe that you can't reverse bone loss, but it is absolutely untrue. And I've had a 100% success rate at helping individuals reverse osteoporosis. One in every two women over the age of 55 has full-blown osteoporosis, had a loss of bone density, opening themselves up to fractures. One in every two men over the age of 65 also have full-blown osteoporosis. The leading cause of injury death after the age of 65 is a fractured hip by a fall. So this course is going to teach you how to improve your balance, how to exercise effectively so you're not wasting time and energy, because excess exercise and excess walking can actually accelerate bone loss versus create it. Excess intake of calcium can also do the same thing. So this course is going to teach you about what you actually do need for remodeling bone effectively. And it's going to teach you which things we have been taught to do that may actually be preventing our ability to remodel bone or maybe accelerating the bone loss. And in 1.5 hours, you're going to know the most effective exercises, the most effective diet, and what things you do not need to do in excess so that you can be efficient. And again, if you can get ahead of the osteoporosis, since it's a 50% chance that most of us could end up with this, it would be good to be preventative. But if you didn't know this information and you've already experienced bone loss, I don't care if you're even already 5 years into a diagnosis. I have had individuals that did not even start to think about changing their way of life or exercising or eating different until their late 60s. And within 1 to 2 years, they completely reverse their osteoporosis or osteopenia. Some people, it's even quicker. It depends on the age, whether they're male and female, the stress, lifestyle. But I'm going to help walk you through that. And if you have any questions, need some support, or just need some clarification, just post them here or private message me. You will not be disappointed because this 1.5 hour course will give you the most effective information you could possibly obtain when it comes to preventing bone loss. I hope you have a beautiful day, and please message me any questions you have.